Hey guys, something a little bit different today. I'm gonna check out this air fryer, the Chefree AFW01 5-liter capacity. What we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show the air fryer and we're gonna do some recipes. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Let's start with the unboxing. Okay guys, very straightforward. We got a rack for our toast, so we have this warning sign, use a manual, and of course we have our Chefree AFW01 Air Fryer. Pretty big, so this one goes up to 5 liters. This is all metal, and we got our logo there. If you want to do some toasts. Alright. 6 different menus. You got air fry, bake, air roast, grill, reheat and dehydrate. On both left and right side is where you select your temperature and your timer. And to circulate between the different modes, you just press that button there, and when you are ready to go, press play. On this side here you got your LED for the baking drawer or basket. Yeah guys, so we're gonna cook something. In terms of size, it's not too big. This is my hand for size comparison. I think it will fit alright on the kitchen counter. I like the white LEDs as well. Okay, let's do a starter. We have beef empanadas and some jalapenos with cheese. So let's start. Okay guys, so we changed the microphone. So first thing first, as you can see, big tray, 5 liters, jalapenos, pretty straightforward. Air fry and play. Quick update, I just noticed on the packaging, you can see air fryer there. It's around 10 minutes, so I think we'll be able to switch it here. So let's go for 10, and when you reach 3 or so, or 2 minutes left, we'll check it. Okay, so the machine turned off. Ooh, what do you think, guys? Let's try it. Listen to this, guys. Bon appetit. Super thumbs up, guys. Very tasty. Well, this is the recipe, but you can tell it's cooked throughout. It's not burned. It's perfect. So now you know, 10 minutes and you can air fry these jalapenos and some empanadas. So next recipe, guys, of course some chicken wings. These are already seasoned. It's like a peppery and garlic. Yeah, so let's try this. I'm not sure if I should preheat that or not, but let's just try it. I think I'm going to use the grill function. Okay, so according to my research, I think it's around 17 minutes. And let's do grill. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, just press play and let's wait. Not sure if you guys can hear it. This is pretty quiet. While we're waiting, you can see that the timer and the temperature. Yeah guys, in around, I don't know, 7 minutes, I'll check them, see how they look like. Maybe I need to shake the basket or turn them, we'll see. All right, look at that. All right, back in. Timer's up, let's have a look. Wow, look at that, guys. I think they are done. What do you reckon? So 17 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I think so. All right. Okay, guys, so this is our chicken wings. 17 minutes, very straightforward. Anyone can do this. So the only thing that we need to do now is try. Yeah, they are not pink. Guys, really, really good. Yeah, I do recommend hot chili, preferably. So let's try this one. Very well cooked. Amazing, guys. I'm very impressed with this air fryer. Very straightforward, as you guys could see. Yeah, and the taste, 5 stars, guys. Let's do these skin-on fries really quick. 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes, 20 degrees Celsius. Let's go. Okay, guys, Mrs. Advice, let's do the whole bag. I think it's a good test as well. See if the air fryer can cook 750 grams. It's nice to see the packaging here saying air fryer. Okay, guys, apologies, it's 180 degrees. Yeah, so 180 degrees Celsius, 12 minutes. Okay, so I think we're halfway through. Should we give it a little shake? And it will continue the program, as you can see. I would say they need a little bit more time. Let's add another 5 minutes maybe. Okay, so the 5 minutes are up. Listen to this, guys, listen to this. I think they look ready. Happy days. It took 17 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, to do 750 grams of chips. A bit soft in the middle, not gonna lie. I would say probably 4 minutes, maybe with a higher temperature. Let's just add some salt and these are good to go. Last recipe we're gonna do some steaks just for the sake of it. These are very thin steaks, so shouldn't take long. I would say 2 minutes on each side. So we're gonna try. Okay, so we set it up for 5 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. You're just gonna flip them when you get like 2 minutes left. I'm a bit curious to see how the steaks will turn out. This window is quite handy, so without having the window, we're just guessing how the food will be, but this is quite handy, and with the light, yeah, amazing, really like it. My thoughts are this is quite handy for anyone with a very short time to cook, so just put the ingredients there and press play, basically set the temperature, set the timer, and we are good to go. There are plenty online recipes so you guys can check it out. This is my first time I'm using air fryer doing steaks. It's just amazing. One thing I need to add, guys, is the way I clean it. It's very straightforward, and because it's like that anti-sticking material, it's pretty easy to clean, at least in my honest opinion. So far I'm very happy with this machine, Chefree. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you did, click the like button, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's just do the steaks. Thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one. Guys, look at that. Just turn them. Let's just do 1 more minute, but I think these are spot on, medium rare. Almost well done now, guys. I ended up making 3 more steaks. These are a little less cooked. I think these are perfect in my honest opinion. I would say the timer for this was around 2 minutes on each side, 3 minutes maybe, no more than that.